Search is underway for passengers and crew of two ill-fated passenger vessels in Mindanao. One of them a motorboat, which reportedly set sail without permission. Mobile journalist Merimon Reyes has tonight's big story.
Cries for help filled the air in the dark sea of Basilan around 1 in the morning on Monday. That's after a roll-on roll-off vessel MV Trisha Kirsin 3 sank while en route to Holosulu from Zamboanga City. Response from authorities was immediate, but rescue was extremely difficult because of sea conditions.
Yung time na na-receive po yung distress signal was at around 1 a.m. So immediately nag-respond po ang Philippine Navy to include the other maritime agencies dun sa area. So pagdating doon, maraming tao na po na nasa gitna. However, the first responder was si Allison po, yung company ng MV Trisha Kirsin. So sila po yung una nandun, and there were also a lot of fishermen, fishing boats. Intensified po ang pag-search po dahil alam po natin malakas po ang agos ng kuryente po doon. Lalo na po this happened somewhere in Baluk-Baluk. So it is northeast of Baluk-Baluk Island. It is open doon it is in between Zamboanga and Basilan po.
By 10 in the morning, or after 9 hours of the ship sinking, 316 have been rescued. Unfortunately, 15 were confirmed dead, while more than 24 passengers remain missing. Investigation is underway as to the cause of the mishap. The Philippine Coast Guard had earlier reported that the vessel was not overloaded.
I would like to share my thoughts on it. Usually, kung malakas ang alon at saka mataas ang alon at malakas ang agos po, it is one of the factors, especially if a ship is, if there's a problem in terms of the stability. I'm not saying na may problem doon, but it is usually the case if you would look at the reports or incidents related to sinking of ships po.
On another tragedy at sea, 6 were confirmed dead from the ill-fated MBCA Amihara in Davao Occidental. The cadavers were already in the early stage of decomposition, while 9 people are still missing. The passenger boat left Santa Ana Wharf in Davao City on January 17 en route to Governor Generoso, Davao Oriental. It was expected to arrive January 19, but strong winds and currents caused it to capsize. The PCG had earlier said MBCA Amihara set sail without a permit. For now, authorities are focused on searching for the victims.
We are still conducting through the leadership of the Office of Civil Defense yung intensified search and rescue pa rin po. As of now, our priority is the conduct of search and rescue and to see to it that these 9 passengers will be located. So yung in terms of the investigation, we will leave that to the Philippine Coast Guard.
Kapatid mobile journalist Merimon Reyes, We are One News.